Welcome to Linux classes. So this is a lab session in which we are going to understand the process management. So let me log into one of my Linux box and let's do some practice. So this is my Linux box. So very first command I am going to type is ps. Here you can see some output I got. So what is that output? The last line shows that the command which I have fired. I have simply fired the command ps and I got an output. So at the back end, some process has been initiated. So for ps command, this process has been initiated. That is 2677. The ID of the ps command is 2677. And also I can see that a line for bash. The shell which I have got, the bash shell, which is having a process ID is 2605. Again, if I am going to fire the same command, what will happen? A new ps command has been generated. The new ps output will be generated with different process ID, but the bash would be the same. Here you can see that for ps the process ID has been changed. Earlier it was 2677, now it is showing 2688. But the bash process ID is same because we are working on the same shell. We are working on the same bash shell. So that's why the process ID for bash is same. Here you can see the terminal TTY, it is showing PTS. So what is PTS? The full form of PTS is pseudo terminal slave. So what does this mean? It means that it is a sort of terminal, we can say that. If you are connecting to the server via SSH, then you will get a pseudo terminal. If you are directly connecting to the server, then it would be your TTY. Let me show you that. Currently I have connected to the server via terminal, via SSH. That's why I am getting PTS. If I am directly connecting to my Linux box, here you can see that I have directly connected to my Linux box. Again, if I am firing the same command ps, I would be getting TTY only. So TTY is here your teletype terminal. Or we can see that if you are connecting to the server via serial or console connection, that would be your TTY terminal. Here it is showing TTY1. So from TTY1 to TTY6, so that would be a kind of virtual terminals. If I am taking another session, I have just pressed Alt Control F2. I got another virtual console. If I am logging to this system, and again if I am fired, you can see the terminal is showing TTY2. And if I fire this TTY, then it will show what all the terminals is currently active. So as of now, 2 terminals has been connected. That is TTY1 and TTY2. So there are 2 terminals as of now. If I am again firing Alt Control F3, I am getting another terminal now. And again if I fire the ps command, it would be showing TTY3. And if I am giving ps-ef grep-itt, here you can see that this ps-ef is, you are getting the output of all the terminals. If I am simplifying the ps command, I am getting the output of my current terminal. So we have to cautious while firing the command. So these are the basic difference between if you are firing ps-ef and simple ps. Now I am coming back to my box. This is my Linux box. So here we need to understand few more things. Suppose I am here and what I am going to do, I am in terminal 3 and I am just opening a file, vim test. So what I have done, I have just simply fired the vim and the file name. I have just opened the file, so it is in open state. Okay, and I am coming back to my this, and if I am firing this command ps-ef, and if I am simply grep-i vim, you can see that this is showing here as well. The root, this one 72, this is the process ID, parent and child process, and it was open on the terminal number 3. So it is showing what was the command? Vim test. So like this way you can understand about the command's output. So how to create a custom command? Custom command that is the command as per your requirement. So for that, simply I am using ps-a O for the properties, TTY, command, and PID. So you can see that I have got some output here. So it is showing that these are the, it is getting an output of all the terminals. So PS-AO, this is what the property I have used, TTY, COMM, command, and PID. If you want to add some more thing, you can use a nice number also you can add. If you want to add percentage memory, you can add percentage memory. If you want to add percentage CPU, so it is up to you how you are creating your own command. Now you can see that the nice value, it is showing 0, and this was the command vim which I have opened. If you want, you can change the nice value as well. Nice value basically what is the priority of the process to that, what is the priority of the processor to that process. So if you want to change, you can change it. How we can change it? It's very simple. Currently it is showing 0. If I want to change the nice value, simply we have to do it renice. I'm giving 4 and process ID. Process ID is for this is string, this one. Now you can see that the priority of the process has been changed now. Again, if I fire the command, it has been changed now. Earlier it was 0. I have changed the process priority of the process from 0 to -4. Lesser the value of the priority, it means that lesser the number of the nice value, it means that the processor is giving high priority to the process. It will be somewhere around from 19 to 18. And -19 is the highest priority you are giving to the process, and if you are going to the higher value like 0, 1, 2, 3 increasing, it means the less priority you are giving to the process. So friend, that's all for this lecture. Hope you got an idea about process management. In the next lecture we'll do some more practice on that. So thanks for watching, and if you have time, please join with me in the next lecture.